Hello friends, welcome again today. Today we want to make a craft. We want to make some birds. Very nice, cute looking birds.
Only doing 2 videos.
Yeah. So, Sam, are you ready to make birds?
Yes,
Alright.
paper.
Alright, yeah, we're gonna make birds out of paper. So we have these papers. You can have your paper. You can have different paper. Then you can cut it out. Something like this.
My paper?
Yeah, so we have this. So what I can do now is to just cut this a little bit more. So now we have this. We have two different shades. Which one do you want to take? The yellow one?
Yes, I like yellow.
Awesome. Alright, so can you come here? Put it in front of the camera. So what we're going to do? Fold it like this.
Like this?
See how I'm holding it? Yeah?
I know, like this.
Okay, have it like this. Hold it like this first. Like this. Are you holding like this? Put it the way I'm putting it like this on the paper. Awesome. Then cup this one like this.
Cut this one like this.
Yeah, and touch. Hold it together. Awesome.
A
Then
ticking.
hold it together. Are you holding it together now?
Holding it together. Hold it.
Awesome. Then from here, hold the tip here. Hold one of the tip.
This
Yeah, hold this tip. And pass it from under here.
pass it.
Yeah, once you pass it, you pull it.
You pull it.
Yeah, you pull it together. Pull it in. Are you able to pass it?
Yes, I know. I know how to pull it.
Are you able to do it?
I'm doing it.
Some bring it, put it in the camera. Now your friends are not seeing what you're doing. Have you been able to pull it?
Yes.
Awesome.
Is it enough?
It's not enough. Did you pull it? You see, you have to pull it to have the shape. So keep pulling it. Keep pulling this one
Yeah.
and hold it.
Is it enough?
Pull it.
Hold, pull.
Yeah.
Enough!
Is it enough now?
Yes, I think.
Awesome.
We have to cut it.
Okay, yeah. So wait. So now you have the shape. Can you press it down? Well, good. All right. So I have a scissors. So I'm going to cut it for you. Don't worry.
I want to cut it myself.
No, you can't cut. You can't handle sharp object.
But this,
So
that's
that's
going
it.
to be one.
So can I do that for you now?
I can do this.
Please, friends in the house, you need an adult to help you cut this. Okay, you can handle scissors. It's sharp object. All right, so just keep it on here. Awesome. So what we're going to do next, we're going to cut off some. We're going to use some of the papers and then cut off to get this shape. Yeah, just wait. You're gonna have it.
Okay.
So we'll have the shape. Okay.
You have the blue ones.
So, but I'm going to give you the blue one.
But
So I'll use this one. So the legs it will be more obvious.
I want different ones.
Okay. Yeah. So we're going to use the gum.
You do yours because
Yeah. So can you apply gum to yours?
yes,
Take one of it. Yeah. Apply the gum, and then.
I like sticking.
So once you are done, you can stick it through one of these gaps here. Okay. And you press it down
Oh,
enough
you're so sticky.
so that it can stick.
Here?
Yeah. Where is it?
Here?
Yeah, pass it from there. Push it inside more. Let it go more inside. Push it
Is it
more.
enough?
Take it more. Remove your hand here. Push it more inside. Let it go inside a bit. All right. I think that's fine. Then you
Yeah.
can press it down. Awesome.
You
Then-
wanted to do yours.
So the same way for the other leg. Can you do that?
Okay, take you from the glue.
Go ahead. Go ahead and apply and do it for the other one. So,
I
yeah,
have
so
to
pass it here.
It does not have to do that.
Okay, so that's
It's just a little drop.
the other leg.
It's not enough glue.
Are you done?
Little glue. Is there enough?
Yeah, just put enough. Put
Here,
enough, yes.
here by the legs.
No, at the other side. You have to turn this other side and you put it from here.
Oh dear.
Yeah.
I have to open it.
Yeah, you can open it a bit. Take it inside more. Let it go in more.
All the way here.
In more, yeah.
Is it
All
now?
right, awesome. Yeah. So
I can
press
tap
it down.
Yeah.
All right, so turn it like this. Let's have the bird.
This.
Your bird, yeah, where is it facing? Yeah, good. Facing upward for the bird. All right, so where is your black pen?
I don't have it.
Oh, you have your black pen.
No, I don't. Look.
So this is the mouth of
Blue.
the bird. Can you make can you paint it a little bit?
Just a little bit more.
Yeah,
That's enough.
awesome.
There.
Then make a circle for the eyes and put a dot inside at the middle.
What?
Awesome. So let's give the bird some feather, or wings. So just make curve like this, and then make the curve. Take it to go this way, so that the outside. Okay, that's fine.
Is it enough?
Yeah, it's enough. Then at the tail here, also give it some line off here for the feather.
A few.
Yeah, just make some.
Oops, I cut the
Awesome.
paper.
It's okay. It's okay.
I
You can always turn the back. Ah, that's awesome. Okay.
Are we all done?
Yeah, this is fine. We've made the bird. This is fine. And we've made lots of other birds. Okay.
Can we do
We
that?
made lots of other birds. Come, we are going to.
Hey,
Yeah.
can I have one by one?
It's okay. You want to have how many? Let me take one red.
You have only two. I need three.
It's okay. So, I have another one. Where's my white one?
That one was mine.
Yeah, I have another one. Alright, so this is mine. So we have 3 birds.
We have
Okay.
to change it like my way.
Okay, so we want to change it so that will align. Awesome. Okay, somebody's changing it. Okay, alright, so fine. Alright, so what we are going to do, we are going to draw a little tree branches. We just put this off. Put it off here.
My cute birdies.
Yeah. Somebody is so funny. Alright, so have your
I
pen.
ate the
No,
birdies.
you can eat the birds. Okay, so let's go ahead. Alright, summer is done now. So can you get your birds? So where do you put the birds? On the tree?
Daddy, that's falling.
Yeah, the birds are all sitting on the tree.
Daddy, put it how I put it.
How are you putting it?
I'm putting this one here, and then I'm putting the red one here, and
It's
then
okay.
I'm putting the
But I
blue
can put it
one.
as I want, but it's
here.
okay. I know how you want. I'm putting my sticker.
You put glue. You
I'm
can
putting
do.
glue on
You
it.
can't put all of them.
I'm putting on all of them. Then I'll stick them. So can you put yours?
I
Can you do yours? Wait, I'm sticking on this.
I
on
thought
this
you were
one.
done.
No, I'm not done. Let me
I
see.
thought you did
Alright,
all of
so
them.
can you do that? You have to stick it at the back.
Yeah. Is the sticky glue is so sticky and it's.
Can you stick that? And also this.
Let's do this one.
Yeah, so apply the glue on this one as well. This one, you're not done with this.
Okay.
Some. Alright,
I'm not done.
okay.
I want to do it wiggly. Wiggly, wiggly,
It's all fine. Is that okay now?
That's the one here.
Bring it on the camera so your friends will see. Alright.
I did all of them.
Oh, okay. Alright, awesome.
Enough glue.
Enough glue? Alright, so
Can I now stick them?
yeah, stick it. Where do you want to stick that one?
This.
Okay.
Here. Sticky.
Alright. It's here on the tree.
Now this one is.
I hope it's standing on the tree. And let's make it to stand on the tree. The red one, second.
Yes.
Awesome.
And then the last one, and then we're done.
Alright, so the last one
Here.
is here.
Oh, stick it well.
Wow. So
Stick well.
this is so fine. Lads, this is
Daddy,
fine.
you kind-
Wow, this is
You
awesome.
kind of make this one too tiny. And
Yeah,
this
this is a small bird. It's not too tiny. It's a small
and this
bird.
one is tiny too.
This is a mommy and this is daddy.
Yeah,
see?
he has a lion too.
You see the same thing. This is a baby bird. This is the mommy. This is the daddy.
But this one is have a long tail.
Yeah, the
This
tail is
one
longer.
It has a tiny tail and a medium tail.
Yeah, awesome. Hi friends, thank you so much for joining us in this craft. It's looking so awesome. Wow, do you enjoy making these birds?
Yes.
Wow, I enjoy drawing and making them sit on a tree.
Yes.
Wow, this is so fine. Thank you, friends. And Sama, what do you say to your friends?
But subscribe to our channel and if you did not subscribe now, and see you next time. Bye bye.
Alright, friends, thank you. Some have said it all. Please do subscribe to our channel if you have not and give us a thumbs up.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.